In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Google Docs and Google Drive. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by going to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your files right away. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the plus new button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select File, Upload. This will open your computer's File Explorer. Locate the PDF file you want to convert, select it, and click Open and to upload it to your drive. Give it a few seconds to upload. You'll know it's ready once you see the file appear in your file list or inside the Recent tab. After that, double-click the uploaded PDF file to open it in the preview window. At the top center of the screen, you'll see an option that says Open with Google Docs. Click on that, and Google Drive will automatically start converting your PDF into an editable Google Docs file. This process may take a few moments depending on the size of your file. Once the new tab opens and the document finishes loading, you'll see your PDF content now converted into a Google Docs format where you can edit text, adjust formatting, and make changes as needed. After confirming everything looks good, go back to your Google Drive tab. You should now see a new Google Docs file added to your file list. This is the converted version of your original PDF. If you want to download it, simply hover your mouse over the file. On the right side, click the download icon to save it to your computer. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.